far ahead. NOVO E38 Day and Night Honeycomb System. Dig Release. Welcome everyone. NOVO Day and Night Honeycomb. Redefine industry standard. Reduce labor costs by 80%. Assembly efficiency increased by 5 times. Visible rope and workload of fabric whole 50% less. Ensure ropes, no jump and overlap. Unique design. New breakthrough in technology, performance and experience. Support industry innovation and development, working independently and working combinatorially. Far ahead of peers. Now, let's go and check the assembly instructions. Material preparation, including fabric inserts, bottom rail, night blinds, middle rail, day blinds, top rail, 5 mm hexagonal bar, day and night motor, remote, spool, ropes, top rail cover, middle rail cover, bottom rail cover, and rope locking ring. Rope recommend 1.0 mm, knot in initial position. Measure the length from the knotted position. Night blinds rope marks. At the length of the finished blinds height plus 6 centimeters. Black mark for locking ring on night blinds rope. Cut the rope 30 centimeters behind the mark point. Take the largest one in the length and height, plus 30 centimeters. Knot in initial position on day blinds rope. Day blinds rope marks. At the length of the fabric thickness plus 6 centimeters. Mark with red color. Cut the rope 30 centimeters behind the mark point. Here is the rope calculation method. You can take photos and save them. Insert all aluminum pieces into the fabric. When inserting, check if the square hole and fabric hole consistent or not. Insert the day blinds into top rail and middle rail. Check if the middle rail square hole and fabric hole consistent or not. Reset spool. Turn hexagonal bar to move wheel to the end. And then backward for cycles. Another side. Also move wheel to the end. Backward for cycles. Yellow spool is for day blinds rope. White spool is for night blinds rope. Turn spool hole to side for threading rope. Yellow for day blinds rope. Thread the rope from top to bottom, and then through the bottom of wheel. Then thread from the top wheel. Please note that day blinds and night blinds correspond to different colors. Pull out and tighten the rope. Cut off excess rope. Press the rope inside to avoid error. Rope is drives by high precision gear and lead screw. Ensure both sides on same level. Rope no jump and overlap. Thread the night rope from bottom to top. Then thread through the bottom of wheel. And then thread from the bottom wheel. 2 spools, working independently. The 2 ropes share one hole, but do not interfere with each other. Use needle to thread to ropes, through top rail, day blinds, and middle rail. The assembly sequence is simple and efficient. 1 rope needs to set locking ring. Thread both ropes through the outer ring. Then thread night rope through the big hole of inner ring, day rope to the small hole. Wrap the day rope around the small hole to cycles for fixing. The locking ring should be exactly at the mark point. If not, it will affect the height of the blinds. The mark on day rope needs to be above of the inner ring. Press inner ring into outer ring. Fix the ring into the middle rail square hole. Insert night blinds after fixing rings into the middle rail hole. When see the second hole of night blinds, use needle to thread night rope from up to bottom. Continue to push the night blinds until see the first hole. Use needle to thread night rope from up to bottom. Then push back the fabric. Thread all night ropes through outer locking ring. Wrap the night rope around the small hole to cycles for fixing. Black mark should be above of the inner ring. Press all inner ring into outer ring. Pull the night rope. Then press locking ring into fabric square hole. Configure iron sheets or iron bars in the bottom rail. Then insert bottom rail. Pull both ropes. Press spool into the top rail. The spool outlet must be into the top rail hole. The two ropes share one hole, but do not interfere with each other. All spools installed in the same direction. No need for cross rope. Tighten the ropes. Then insert the first 5 mm hexagonal bar. When insert the second 5 mm hexagonal bar, the ropes should be in the middle of two hexagonal bars. Install the motor next to the spool outlet hole. Motor appearance is clean and tidy. Apply some oil on the end cover. Align the hexagonal bar and install the end cover. Screw and fix cover to withstand bar on both sides. Fix all end covers for rails. Curved short bottom rail hides the ropes. It is more beautiful and tidy than the square tall rails and exposed ropes on the market. No color difference between covers and rails. Highly integrated motor and spool make the whole system simpler. NOVO day and night system is easily assembled. No need complex adjustments. Easy to pair code. Press motor set button. Motor rotates. Press P1 button on remote. Motor rates again. Pairing finished. Limit setting. Keep pressing P2 button on remote. Motor rotates. Keep pressing down button of night blinds. Motor rotate. Keep pressing up button of night blinds. All blinds up. Automatically memorizes up limit by obstruction stop. Keep pressing down button of night blinds. Press stop button when blinds moves to desired position. Now you can click up or down to get precise limit position. After position confirmed, press stop down together to save down limit. Semi-automatic setting limit. Automatically memorized up limit. Simply set down limit 4 times faster than traditional. Once again far ahead of peers. NOVO E38 day and night honeycomb system.